There was a time when we were only able to restore the Azure VM from the Azure backup inside the same region. Because we all know Vault was not like you can restore it in a different one. But today we have this feature cross-region restore, which would allow us, which would help us to restore the Azure VM in a different region. Hello everyone, my name is Arun and today we are going to talk about cross-region restore. Well, Azure has introduced this new capability where you can go ahead and register yourself for this wonderful feature with the help of which you can restore your Azure VM in a different region. The experience would be extremely same as you are restoring in the same region. However, you need to provide the information of the secondary region. Okay. You can see right now I'm on this MS documentation page. The first thing is we are going to create the Azure backup with this properties enabled. Okay, and the secondary region is always an Azure paired region. We all know about the Azure paired regions. Okay, so you may or you may not have this feature enabled. So to enable this feature, you need to register the Azure provider feature right here. You can see Register-AzProviderFeature, feature name CrossRegionRestore, provider namespace Microsoft.RecoveryServices. We did register this feature in the previous videos of the PowerShell where I was trying to show how we can use AZ provider feature to register the providers. Okay, so let's go ahead and dig a little deeper on the documentation. You can see here it says Vault with GRS redundancy includes the option to configure CRR, because if your Vault doesn't have the capability to go across the region, how would it actually restore in a different region? So it is the basic thing that everybody needs to understand. If your Azure backup Vault is GRS, only then this option is there. And this option would be like this coming on your Azure Backup Vault. To check, you can go to the properties and check the information under backup configuration. You can enable this feature. And it says right there, this allows you to restore in the secondary region for both drills and outage scenarios. Okay. This is nothing biggie as of now. The only thing is you should be aware there is a way by which you can run the restore VM in a different region. There are scenarios where your customer or your organization might need to move or create exact replica on the other region, on the paired region. You can utilize this feature. There are different other scenarios. Okay. This will also help you during the case of disaster recoveries when you want to restore in a different region because your primary region got hampered or something. Now, this is what we have seen, and let's go ahead and see restore in the secondary region, backup items in secondary region, and monitor secondary region restores. All right. It says secondary region restore user experience will similar to the primary region restore user experience. So there is nothing changed on the front end as of now. Only the things are you gotta configure the secondary region's information instead of primary region. It says when configuring details in the region restore configuration blade to configure restore, you will prompt to provide these only secondary region parameters. Okay. You can see these are the restore point we are trying to restore, and these are the secondary region information. And here are the secondary region restore jobs. Okay, that this we already know. Backup items, we know that already. So that's what it is. That's how it should be. And let me go ahead and check if it is still registering, or maybe I would have the same flag over there. It is registered already. It's wonderful. Let's go ahead and open the Azure portal. All right. I have opened the Azure portal, but just wanted to show you a few things I think we missed during the first go. This feature is currently available in West Central US, West US, Australia East, and Australia Southeast. Okay, it is not available generally or in all regions. You gotta have GRS for your backup in these regions. Only then you can utilize it. So I've just created a vault inside one of these regions, and I do have this purple flag at the top. If I click here, it will lend me to the same pages that we were going through. The thing I wanted to show you is the properties under settings of the vault. Backup configuration. This is where you can have this option enabled. Click on update. You see that cross region restore. We have this option right here. We can enable it, and it says in a second region. Only for Azure virtual machines as of now. You know it is in preview. Down the lane, of course, it would be for all other things which utilize the service. But for now, only Azure virtual machine, and it is not for the classic VMs. All right, you can enable it from here, save it, and go ahead and restore the VM in a different region. As of now, I do not have any VM backed up because this video is only about going through this update, which is a wonderful update and gives you the ability or to restore VM in a different region. And that's how you register the provider. And this vault is in Australia, US. I'm sorry, my bad. Not Australia, US, but the Australia East. Okay, sometimes it happens. My bad, sorry. Okay, so we went through the documentation. We understand this feature. We knew how to register it now. We knew how to enable it. We got to check from where we can do it. And it is, this should be GRS right here. By default, all the vaults are GRS, but you can change to LRS if you want before you back up any machine. So that's all about it. Well, thank you for watching and you have a good day. Bye-bye.